Winter is on its way. Still some leaves left. But look at this. It's cold now. Just leaves everywhere. Ach, November. It's getting colder. It reminds me of my childhood, when you could feel sudden change of season. The smell of burnt leaves, beautiful orangey colors everywhere, trees dropping the leaves, shorter days, grey sky for most of the time, a warm fireplace, warming foods that will keep you going in those colder months, waiting each day by the window for the first snow to fall, in excitement for those snowflakes that will build up. I would get my coloring book and pencils ready. I remember these moments like yesterday. The excitement at the sign of first snow that will cover everything by the evening. So magical. I cherish those beautiful memories and remind myself how astonishing nature is. I definitely love Four Seasons, and growing up with Four Seasons was really, really magical. I feel, especially in November and those colder months, that I would like to hibernate, but of course I can't. But nature shows us that, the colder months are coming, to slow down, to prepare, like we would chop the wood for the colder months. We would store the foods that were made in summer months, like pickles, jams, to keep so we can eat in winter, full of probiotics and prebiotics and vitamins. It's just so amazing, the sudden fall of the tree, of the leaves from the trees in the past week or so, and that feeling of winter approaching really, really fast. Thank you for listening, and God bless.